Ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Alright guys, we need to see if the Rolla can break a wine glass. So there it is. I'm gonna try to pop the phone up, see what happens. Today we got a little experiment going on for the Rolla. Go ahead, Brandon. Give him the flicky. I don't know, man. Should we do a fancy one? One of these fancy ones up here?
I think just keep it nice and classic with the...
Oh, he's a classic guy. Thanks. So I think these are the ones we're gonna get. They're a little dusty, so we're gonna try to get a discount on them. Cause yeah.
Discount. I'll tell you that's not gonna work.
It's like we got some lights too.
Would you like your receipt, ma'am?
Shammer the rammer. Look at you, man. You gotta show them the newest mod. They don't know yet.
We'll have to see.
Alright, Mr. Shiny Sticker Guy. What's your second mod you've done? Uh-oh. You got a new turbo on there? That's the first mod. This is the second mod, whatever this is.
50 horsepower.
Yeah, that's 50 horses. Oh! Ah! What? Ooh! Oh, yeah, Heads by Drew in there too? Yeah.
10 horsepower.
10 horsepower.
Yeah.
That's pretty tight. Dang, we're gonna have to see how this thing sounds, dude. Look at his face in there. Look at his face. Kool-Aid smile. Sounds tight. You got the Kool-Aid smile.
Don't worry about the ticking. It's just a purge valve. All the cars do that.
He said the ticking on the Chevy Cruises is a purge valve, and not to worry about it.
I haven't thrown any rods or anything. I've been a good child.
Any codes yet?
No. As long as you reset the battery, I know some cars do throw codes, but as long as you get a good kit that's tuned for the specific model, you shouldn't throw.
Yeah, and this will void your warranty, so you know.
In theory, it won't, because as long as you keep your stock parts, you're good.
And then if the dealership sees this video, guys, this is the second cruise that he has.
Yeah, I have
so
two red cruises.
yeah, he has two red cruises.
Yeah, I have one that's 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, this is the 1,000 horsepower one, apparently. So, yeah. Look at his face. Look. Do it again, Brandon. Try not to smile when you do it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Don't smile at all.
It's kind of hard to. I mean, turbo noises, how can you not smile?
So, all right, guys. Here it is. second try. First try didn't work so good, so.
I do not want that. Hold on. Let me get my. Hold on.
Yeah! 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 That was so sick. Alright guys, so we broke the wine glass. We're gonna try some lights now. Let's try to squeeze 2 in there if we can. I don't know, it might be a little difficult. I don't know, what do you think, Brandon?
I think it'll work.
Yeah?
Probably gonna like launch off.
About to find out. Let's see if we could break some more of that right there. Hey, and all you 800 horsepower Supras, yo, check this out. This is what we're breaking it with. Look. Yeah, you guys don't know. Look at this. Yeah. Pure power right here. This is 50 horsepower right here. Let's get it.
Quietly, keep you close to me.